भारत में ईरान के सुप्रीम लीडर के नुमाइंदे डॉक्टर अब्दुल मजीद हकीम इलाही बिहार के दौरे पर हैं। मीडिया से बात करते हुए अब्दुल मजीद हकीम ने कहा कि जैसे कि मैंने कहा था कि ये जंग ईरान के खिलाफ शुरू की गई थी। अमेरिका और इजराइल ने पहले ईरान पर हमला करना और उसे टारगेट करना शुरू किया। ये जंग हम पर थोपी गई। जंग के सबब कई मुल्कों के लोग परेशान हैं। दुनिया के लीडरान को एक साथ आना चाहिए और इसे रुकवाया जाना चाहिए।
Actually, as I said, this was initiated against Iran, and they started attacking and targeting Iran. Iran didn't want this war. Till now, Iran doesn't want this war, and Iran wants to stop this war immediately. But unfortunately, this is the war, unjust war, which was imposed against Iran. And we know that, unfortunately, a lot of people in the world, they are suffering and they are harmed from this unjust war. It's very, as I mentioned, there are a lot of people in these different countries and across the world are suffering. But this war, this is the result of the war. And the people from different countries and the leaders of the world, they have to come together and they ask the initiators of this war to stop it.
Actually, as you know, the problem is not Iran allows or not. The problem is based on security problems. But all countries are allowed to use Strait of Hormuz and benefit from that strait. But some enemies, some countries which they are using this strait for attacking Iran, they are not allowed to do that. But the other countries are free.